Now it's all about styling and just looking good and feeling good in what you're wearing.
I personally think that you should go with a neutral look so that the lehenga is also visible, you are also visible, and it's easy.
I love the makeup. I couldn't even imagine that I could look like this, honestly. It's giving me so much confidence. Hi guys!
Hi, Anshi.
Hi!
Sit. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Hi guys!
We're so
Good.
happy to finally meet you.
And welcome to Get the Look with Mac.
Hi, I'm really excited to be here.
So tell me, Devanshi, a little bit more about what's your event and what is your idea of, how do you want to look at that event?
For my wedding, I have mostly everything sorted except for one event, which is Mehendi. It's a sundowner Mehendi. And whenever it comes to a sundowner event, I'm not sure about what kind of look you should go for because you don't know if you should wear pastels, lighter colors, darker colors, if you should have more sequences or not.
What is your liking for makeup?
On a daily basis, I just wear a MAC compact. That's my thing. But whenever I'm going out, I love using colors for eyeshadows. I love doing things to eyes, making bold statements with eyes.
I love the fact you are quite clear about that you like colors and you also like to focus on your eyes. So I'm getting few ideas with that.
Just wanted to understand from you, is there any color that you want to stay away from?
Black. When it's a sundowner thing, I don't think I can wear black in the daytime. Also, I don't think you wear black in wedding.
Of course, I'm not saying wear black, but I'm just saying that when we go outfit shopping, which is soon, I want you to have an open mind.
I will be completely open-minded. In fact, I actually wanted to discuss some concerns that I had regarding makeup, which how do one decide whether I should buy makeup, which is dewy or matte, or for example, what kind of prep I should do for my skincare before I start makeup. So these are departments I think that I would require help in when it comes to makeup because I have no idea.
So you're in the right hands in that department here.
Okay, so I completely understand because there's so many products available. It can be sometimes overwhelming, what to choose and at what time what to wear. So what I can do is I can fix an appointment for you at Mac Store where, somebody will help you to really make sure that, you choose the right colors for foundations, your lip colors and everything. That will take care of everyday needs of your makeup.
That sounds amazing. Thank you so much. I think that's exactly what I need.
Welcome to the store, guys.
Thank you. Very excited to be here.
So this is Devanshi.
Hi, Devanshi. Congratulations, firstly, on your wedding.
Thank you so much.
And what we're looking for is essentially a beautiful outfit for her sundowner Mehendi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is it that you have in mind?
Honestly, I'm extremely confused because during the day I want to wear pastels, I want to wear day colors, but during the night I would want to wear my more intense colors, maybe add a little sequins, glam.
You're not going to change in the middle of it. I personally, for a sundowner Mehendi, I would go for a color that transitions seamlessly from day to night.
Now it's all about styling and just looking good and feeling good in what you're wearing. Now that I know about your preferences, I definitely feel we should go for a lehenga. We can try on a pastel color as well as a jewel tone to see what you like.
I'd leave it up to you, you're the expert.
Are you ready to try them on?
I'm super excited. Guys, I look so pretty.
Oh, you look lovely.
I love this. I feel like it's subtle, but the work on it is just making it look glam enough for the night as well.
It's a beautiful outfit and the work on it is exceptional.
Is it comfortable? Like you feel
it's slightly heavy, but I feel like I'm the bride. I'm supposed to be a little heavy.
Yeah. I really wanted to see you in this color and I think it looks lovely, but the other option that we have is jewel tone. So why don't you try that on as well? And let's see whichever looks better, whichever you feel more comfortable in. So let's try that on.
Yeah, sure. Hi, Leah.
Hi,
How are you?
very good. How are you?
I'm all good.
I heard about you from Sonic. I'm
Yes.
so excited for you.
Me too.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I'm super excited for all of this.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah,
Come.
sure.
Hi Devanshi. Shalini told me that you're from Jaipur.
Yes.
You're from my city.
Yes, and I can't wait to see what you've chosen for me for my outfit.
Even I am. So you tell me, what are you looking for and what is it?
Because it's a Sundowner Mehendi, I'm expecting people to dance a lot and I'm expecting people to like come together and enjoy that evening because there's a specific thing you have to follow in Mehendi. So, which is why I wanted to keep it light because I want to go out there and dance with my friends and enjoy the whole event.
Nice. That should be the whole idea about it.
Yeah.
I've seen your lehenga. I personally think that you should go with a neutral look so that the lehenga is also visible, you are also visible, and it's easy. I've taken out these 3 pieces, but now when I've seen your outfit and I've met you in person, this is the piece which is going to look nice on you.
So beautiful.
It's a very simple classic choker. It will fit your neck very well, and it will be very easy piece. It will not be loud, it will not be less, and it will go very well with your lehenga. Plus it's a similar kind of a floral Mughal pattern motif which is there on your lehenga, so I thought that this is really going to look nice.
This is very, very pretty. It's a very nice design. I think I'm actually very excited to like wear this.
Let's go.
Oh wow. Honestly, couldn't have asked for something better. This is so pretty. I mean, as it is, I can't even imagine how it will all come together when I put on the lehenga. I can't wait for the final look. Thank you so much for making me look this gorgeous.
I'm so happy you like it.
So let's start with skin prep. I'm going to start with base makeup. And now that your base makeup is ready, I'm going to start with eye makeup.
Oh, that's my favorite part.
Fine through. Okay, and we are done with your eye makeup. Now let's move on to the cheeks. Now let's just finish this makeup look with a beautiful lip color. So that's your final look. As we discussed, we kept the focus completely on the eyes, and I've kept everything very, very neutral, so it really balances the look and blends everything together, and you look absolutely gorgeous.
I love the makeup. I couldn't even imagine that I could look like this, honestly. It's giving me so much confidence. I can't actually wait to show it to Anuj.
Yeah, so let's start getting your hair done and get you into your final outfit.
Yes, please.
That's a wrap on Devanshi's story. Doesn't she look absolutely stunning for her Sundowner Mehendi? We will be back with a new bride and a new story on Get the Look with Mac Be Shadi Ready.